Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the inaugural InVision event, which was the brainchild of your team, Sandi Stambaugh of SYNNEX. Talk about what this event is and how it came about.
Yeah, we are so excited to be here in Charlotte, and we're so happy you're here with us today, Gary.
I'm honored.
Yeah, so we have got just a group of amazing folks here. We've got over 30 vendors as a part of this, and the focus is just giving back to our customers, so helping to invest in their people, training their sales folks, making sure that they understand not just technology, but also things like, what's next, what's going on with AI.
That's what my keynote's about, is sort of like what are the future influences, both technologically, product-wise, also in kind of new workspaces. Like, it's a new world that we're living in as people try to go back to work with a bunch of people working from home. And I think, we talked about this earlier, one of the things that you're doing here is you're teaching a lot of young people or new people to the industry, and you're sort of like starting from the bottom or the ground and saying, hey, this is what the industry is all about, but guess where it can go? It's more than just AV.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're talking about relationships and networking and aligning with vendors, leveraging programs, driving profitability, things like how to prospect, how to leverage existing relationships and expand beyond that, and also a lot of tech too. So we're talking about the technology as well.
Yeah, I mean, everyone loves we are techie, we are geeky, right? We like that. Now, one kind of thing that's interesting about this event is it was actually created by your advisory, your board of customers, right?
Yes. So we just, in the past year, we sort of tore our events apart a little bit and sat down with our advisory council and said, okay, where can we bring value to you? Right. Where can we bring more value as a partner? And where do you need help? Mm-hmm. And, sales training was a big part of it, right? So, number one, on the kind of newer sales rep side, of course, helping them understand the industry, helping them navigate. But then also, even some of the folks that have been around a while, how do we keep them fresh? How do we expand, kind of their approach? We've got tomorrow, actually, Brent Adamson is coming to talk about the Challenger sales method, which is a little bit different, right?
It's a really good. He's going to be really good. I've seen him speak before. And he's got a unique sort of perspective on that.
Absolutely. So I'm really excited, and I'm such a nerd. I'll be in the front row taking notes.
But it's interesting too. Yeah. You mentioned AI real quickly.
Mm-hmm.
The influences of new things from outside of our industry that are coming inside of our industry, like AI. I mean, we've had AI on cameras and on other devices in our industry before, but we now have AI helping us build systems better. We now have AI predicting how rooms are going to be used, and a lot of this stuff is software based, and that's not something that our industry has been historically comfortable with. So I think an event like this lets them see that SYNNEX is more than just an AV hardware company. You have resources outside of that.
Absolutely. Actually, on stage, you'll see them here in just a little bit. Intel sponsored a session with one of their ISV partners and our solutions experts within the IA space, TD SYNNEX solutions experts that can help with that. So we're going to have them on stage talking about it and exposing these guys to those facets as well as a lot of the services that TD SYNNEX can provide to them as well.
Yeah, and that's really the differentiation that you bring to the table. So if you don't know who TD SYNNEX is, definitely check them out, tdsynnex.com. I'm hoping that you already know who they are. And we're going to give you a little sneak preview of what this event is like, because we're going to actually shoot videos on all these products that are here from all these vendors that are here, but we're also going to give you a sneak peek of the keynotes as well. So Sandi, thank you very much for your time.
Much.
You've got to get going.
I know, we got to get going.
And thanks for watching. Check out all of our coverage at ravepubs.com.
Thank you.